Why do boiled eggs sometimes refuse to peel smoothly, even when they are fully cooked? You boil the eggs carefully, but when you start peeling, the shell sticks and the egg breaks. This is a common problem, and it happens for clear scientific reasons. Boiled eggs are eaten in many homes every day. They are healthy, affordable, and easy to prepare. However, peeling them can be frustrating when the shell refuses to come off cleanly. Instead of a smooth egg, you get broken egg whites and wasted food. One major reason boiled eggs fail to peel smoothly is using very fresh eggs. Fresh eggs have a low pH, meaning they are more acidic. This causes the inner membrane of the egg to stick tightly to the egg white. When you try to peel, the membrane pulls the egg white with it, damaging the surface. Slightly older eggs, about 1 to 2 weeks old, peel much easier. Another cause is the inner membrane inside the egg. This thin layer sits between the shell and the egg white. When eggs are fresh or cooked incorrectly, this membrane bonds strongly to the egg white, making peeling difficult. The way eggs are cooked also matters. Placing eggs in cold water and heating them slowly can cause the egg white to stick to the shell. Eggs peel better when they are placed gently into already boiling water. A common mistake many people make is skipping the cold water bath after boiling. If eggs are not cooled immediately, cooking continues inside the shell. This tightens the egg white and makes it stick even more. Eggs should be placed straight into cold or ice water for 5 to 10 minutes after boiling. Another mistake is peeling eggs from the pointed end of the egg. The wide end of the egg contains an air pocket. Starting from the pointed end gives no space between the shell and the egg, causing breakage. Peeling should always begin from the wide end. Overcooking eggs is also a problem. Overcooked eggs become rubbery and stick strongly to the shell. Hard-boiled eggs should be cooked for about 10 to 11 minutes, not longer. Dry peeling is another mistake. Peeling eggs without water causes the shell to grip the egg white. This leads to rough and broken eggs. The solution is simple and effective. Use slightly older eggs instead of very fresh ones. Start boiling with water already at a rolling boil. If needed, add a small amount of baking soda, vinegar, or salt to help loosen the shell. After boiling, cool the eggs immediately in cold water. Peel from the wide end and peel under running water for best results. By following these steps, boiled eggs will peel smoothly and cleanly every time. Subscribe, share, and like our channel.